This tip is about marijuana use in life insurance. And first you might say, why are you telling me this? Your messages are normally about employee benefits and geared towards employers. And that is true. But I have sometimes employers or employees of companies that are my clients who ask me for other solutions, and I do my best to provide it. So I had a situation recently where an individual applied, wanted some life insurance on an individual basis. Don't do a lot of it, but I certainly have access to those solutions, so I did the research to help that person. And life insurance, people buy life insurance for different reasons. In this case, it was a buy-sell type insurance, where two owners of a company, and then if one passes away, the life insurance proceeds get delivered to the company to buy out the shares of the other's spouse or the other's beneficiary, and then retain control of the company with the one owner who remains. But there's other reasons. Life insurance is always just basically about cash when needed, and it's really just kind of a tool to help people do things, deliver on goals that they want to achieve if they're no longer there and able to do that. So back to my example here. This individual is a regular marijuana user, and because of that, their policy got rated. And the policy rating means they charge a surcharge on their policy because of their marijuana use. Now, this is, I think, going to be a growing trend. We see more and more people using medical marijuana. And then further to that, the legalization of marijuana that's coming in 2018, I expect we're going to see a big bump up in people using marijuana. If that's the case, then buying your life insurance now would make way better sense for you, right? You're going to buy it now, lower cost, and that cost is generally fixed in for the life of the contract. So buy it now where that life insurance or the marijuana use isn't a factor, and then when marijuana does become legalized and you start using marijuana, it's not going to impact the current rates if you use marijuana. I'm not saying everybody's going to use marijuana, but and I'm not condoning marijuana use. You may like it, you may not, doesn't matter. There's got to be some times when it's the right solution for a medical standpoint, is my belief. But, so the tip is, if you think you might have a future need for marijuana, no. If you think you might have a future need for life insurance, if you think you might have a future need for life insurance, then perhaps you want to apply now. Subsequently, if you become a marijuana user for medical or recreational purposes, it's not going to impact those rates. Thanks very much. I was a little scattered there, but I think I got the message out. Thanks very much. Keep well.